Hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video I will show you how to download Rufus in your Android mobile system and how to make a bootable USB using your Android phone. So you need to download this app Rufus from Play Store. Go and search for Rufus and you can download it. It's of around 21. I'm updating it. You need to see it's around 30 MB. You need to download it. Okay, so after downloading it you need to open and you need to collect 2 coins from there. By watching ad you will get 2 coins, one ad per coin. Okay, you need to watch one ad for around 10 seconds or 20 seconds, then you will get 1 coin. Then again you need to wait for 1 minute. Okay, after the 1 minute will finish, then after that you need to again watch one ad, then you will get again 1 coin as a currency. It's basically cost of doing this particular partition. Okay, so it's done. I'm opening it. Okay, so after opening you can see here the plus icon above with a coin, golden coin there. Okay, you can see load ad. You can load ad and then you can, I have already told what to do. So you will need a pen drive. Okay, a pen drive of around 8 GB, 16 GB or 32 GB. Okay, anyone, and a OTG connector to make a connection between the mobile and pen drive. Okay, so okay, you get the basic idea how it will work. So now I will show you the ISO file. I will use Arch Linux ISO file. Okay, x86 64-bit for my PC. It's a 64-bit system. So now I will pick ISO. Okay, from ISO file is there. First I will connect. Okay, so after connecting it you will see this prompt and all, then just okay, accessing USB device, please wait. Okay, so it is connected, then it will show the connected one. Okay, size is 29 GB and all. Okay, you will see it's connected. Okay, now I will pick ISO. So for that you can see here it's a pick option. So after that you need to pick it and then you need to choose a partition table, type of partition you want as per your PC or laptop. Okay, so here I will choose GPT. Basically any new system nowadays it uses GPT only. Okay, so it's quite good. And see the ISO size is 993. Basically you can also boot some large files also, no worries about the size. Okay, so it's costing around 2 coins. Okay, so give it. After that you will see the total process is running and the current process. Basically these two processes will go on. You need to wait it. Okay, you need to wait for a while. See what I am doing. Full interface is there, burn ISO successful, a full view is there. Okay, so now the bootable USB is ready. So now I will boot my system. Okay, using Arch Linux. So then you need to go in your system BIOS and then choose particular USB as per your name and then boot it. Thanks for watching.